What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech, but today I want to take a little look at and tear down of this Frozen CD player. It's almost like a MIDI player. It's really curious. So it's based off of these discs that you put into it. You get 3 different buttons here. You get 3 different discs, and what you play is based off of the holes that are in the discs. There are more discs. I can only find this one. Of course, all children are the same in this way, I'm sure. They'll toss something, and then it just might as well be in another universe. You cannot find it sometimes. So once again, you get 3 buttons. The idea is you put the discs in, you close it up, and then it'll play a MIDI. Now, with all the discs that was included with this, none of them were any of the flagship songs that you'd find on the original soundtrack CD. I wonder if they were trying to bypass some issues with other people. Maybe the creators of those flagship things. But seriously, with MIDI, no one should be worried about anybody stealing a MIDI. So let's open this thing up. I want to see the circuit board on the inside. I want to have a little look-see. Should be said, I got this at a Salvation Army, and my daughter's done with it. And she has so many toys. Seriously, if your kid doesn't have toys, go to the Salvation Army. It's not for poor people. And the money you spend will go to good things. I don't care what you think about the Salvation Army. If you go to any poor place, the people that feed and help the homeless the most are the Salvation Army. So feel free to go and spend some of your money. And hey, if you're a parent that needs some new skates or something for the kids' sports, go to the Salvation Army. Oh. Okay, so pretty straightforward and very interesting. We got the speaker right under there, a little chipboard. Oh, check that out. I always love to see how people do buttons. And this, of course, is the standard cheapo Scotch tape and metal membrane. Okay. Just want to have a quick look under here and see what we got going on. I knew it would be something simple, but this is super, super simple. I didn't think the circuit board would be that small, but it is. There we go. Big old speaker. Let's take a look at that circuit board. I shall ask my daughter if she wants this to be put back together. I have a feeling she just doesn't care. Everything's labeled very nicely. I like that. Nice, nice, very nice. It's very simple, very affordable. Oh, I love how they do these buttons. Look at that. Membrane. That is awesome. So that is from there to... I'll have to find the other one. It's around somewhere, I swear. Probably. Maybe. No, it's right here. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciated, and have a good one, folks.